How to fix call forwarding connection problem or invalid MMI code. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. First of all, launch open the phone app. Then you want to dial ##21#. Go ahead and dial that. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is dial *413. Then wait for some time. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is tap on the three dots. Here you want to find the option of settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and find the option of call forwarding. On my phone, it is under supplementary services. Go ahead and select that option. Now you simply want to turn off call forwarding over here. Once that is done, simply restart your phone. After restarting, this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.